sometimes we don't cover the daily routines, like cleaning the bike. So this morning, here we are at some place somewhere. Don't worry about it, I'll put it down the bottom of the screen. And Dave's giving his bike a clean. So it's just basically coin operated. So you've got this, I won't get that close to it because I'm actually in the next bay. So there it is, that's where Dave is going to his coin. There's Dave's filthy bike. I'm hoping that you can hear me even a little bit. If not, everything's going to be down the bottom. And then the foaming starts. You got it? Lovely foam.
Try not to wet the seat.
Making me want a coffee.
And don't put it in there.
In where? Oh, yeah.
Inside.
Okay. Alright. That makes sense. Oh, you're all wrapped up. There are places that you can go to where somebody can do the whole lot for you, but we just find it's a whole lot easier just to take it in and do a self-serve. So the cost of the wash and the foam is all of 50 baht, because Dave put 50 baht in the machine. Not quite sure if that's all finished, or do you just use the water now?
Oh, I can water it down, then I've got the air compressor, so I can use that to blow it down. And I was going to get the brush in there, but
right, okay. So yeah, just getting into those little nitty-gritty areas with a brush. Paintbrush. With a paintbrush, that's so cute.
Well, you could probably buy a specialised one in white.
Yeah, why? Exactly. And then
The only problem is it counts down.
Ah, right, yeah.
No, I can't do anything to that.
Oh, okay, so there it is. It's down at 40 baht there.
If you need a chamois or whatever, you just buy them in this one hands your vacuum cleaner.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Well, I'm in a messy little puddle here, so I'm going to get out. Okay, that's what Dave was talking about. So here you've got your chamois. You can buy your chamois 10 baht. They are. You can just pop out a little chamois. Unfortunately I've given all of my 10 baht coins to Dave, so I can't even get one, even if I wanted to, just to show you. One thing I do know is watching Dave clean that, I'm going to have a wet butt getting on that seat, because he's slapped the seat with a little bit of water so far.
And always cover up your camera. It even says no high pressure. I took it to a company once to do it, and they hit it with the gurney I didn't see, and that was the end of it.
Ah, no.
Oh, no, it's me. That's the only thing you've got to cover up. The rest of the bike can basically go in water.
Except the intake. Except the intake.
So you get a good bow wave going. The last time we went through water, it would have been about that, just underneath here.
Yeah?
That's what just coming out of our place after that flash flood, after the flash flood there. And I hit it and I went, oh, my feet. went under, my feet went underwater. Also make sure my little radiator intake's clean.
Ah, and what's this location, Dave?
Sandside, I think, Sandside. Off the 132, then you turn, you go off the 1001 onto the 132, and it's the second left, you head up that way. We can mark it, but I'd only found it while I was just riding around. Oh, geez, this is cool. This is not far from Eppley. This is where you make sure the exhaust is nice and cool before you start on it.
Ah, hang on, let's get that into the light and do that again.
I thought it was cooled right down the other day, and no, it wasn't.
Yeah, no, definitely be careful of that exhaust. We know what happens when any appendage gets near that exhaust. The back of my leg is still sporting a nice little scar from my 3rd degree burn, however many months ago. Oh well, life happens, right? Be aware. Be very aware.
You only get off the bike with one side, and you always look. 4 have long pants on.
Yes.
We both put shorts on today. It's going to probably rain anyway, but at least it looks a bit good.
Yeah. It's quite a warm day today, so, you know.
See, I put 50 baht into it, and I can still keep going. It's still says I've got 20 baht to go.
Yeah, so do you get that back? Or?
Oh no, it just counts down.
Oh, right, okay. Well, that was silly of you.
We're going to probably put 40 in. You see? 10 minutes.
Oh, right, yeah.
You could go again if you wanted to. I could go and vacuum it. No.
No, that's silly. It's not a car.
No. But that's what the other thing is. Oh, detailing.
Oh.
Wax over there for spraying your car.
Oh, okay.
Real spray wax.
So maybe we can bring the car here as well.
Yeah. I'll have to read what's on that board over there. Oh, there's a vacuum cleaner.
Read what's on the board. Which board may he be referring to? I have no idea. What board? Where? What board, Dave? What board? Where?
Where the buttons are, it's all the time.
Oh, right, okay. Well, in that case. So what do they say, Dave? Over there?
Not much, just writing. Vacuum blower, car paint varnish, and the bottom on spray wheels tyres. So that's the varnish for...
Oh, right, okay. Be careful not to fall.
Then you use both inside and out. Spray the coats and solution on and then wipe the inside.
Okay.
So you can
All right, done.
and that one there's the tyres. Okay. Which I'm not going to do today.
So that took all of...
15 minutes. But it's not 100%, but
Well, still.
if you go to other places, the proper ones where you pay 200-300, they put all the sprays and shiny stuff on it, and you might be there for an hour. But this is a quick wash. I've got all
That's
stuff
probably more of a detail then.
It is.
Yeah.
But the last one depended, ended up at 200 and one wanted 300, then you go to one that's 150, but you just got to pick it. And that was, if we didn't put 50 in, could have got away probably 30 baht for a quick wash.
Yes.
That's right.
So that's us. Just a quick DIY on how to clean your bike and where to go to. And yeah, as I said at the beginning, I will. Yeah. All right, go on.
Got my bag.
Yeah.
Once.
As I said at the beginning, I'll put the location of this place.
There's
at the
quite
bottom
a
of the
few
screen.
around, but they're not really marked on Google.
You just have to find them.
You just find
Yeah.
do your own ones.
All right. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye. So if you have any questions or us to take the car in here and do the same kind of thing, just let us know. And yeah, definitely if you have any questions, just put them into the comments and we will respond within 24 hours. So you guys have a great one.